The Academic Planner in Navigate is a course planning and scheduling tool that advisors and students can use to plan which classes a student should take in upcoming terms. To use the Academic Planner, log into Navigate by clicking on the Navigate staff icon in the Employee Portal. This will take you to your main staff homepage. From here, you can either click on a student's name in your advisee list, or you could use the quick search bar to search for any student. Once you're on a student's page, click on the Academic Plan tab. This will take you to the student's planner. This is an exact replica of what the student sees when they log into the planner in the Navigate student platform. You'll notice up at the top that the bar is blue. This indicates that you're in view mode. To make edits, you'll want to click on the Add Comments or Suggestions green button in the right-hand corner. You'll notice that the bar up at the top changes to a green color. On the left, you'll see plan suggestions. These are the courses that are a part of the program that the student is active in. These are based off of the completion plans for each program and in the recommended sequence that a student should take them. On the right-hand side, you'll see current and upcoming terms. Some students may have courses planned in upcoming terms. In this example, the student does not. You can see completed terms by clicking the Show Completed Terms button. The first thing that you want to do is run the student's academic evaluation from WebAdvisor or Colleague before starting to edit the student's plan. The academic evaluation should be the source of truth and what you should use to determine what courses a student still needs to take. When you toggle between the two, you can add a new term by clicking an Add a New Term button. The new terms will populate under the current term. From here, check the student's academic evaluation and then start dragging and dropping courses into a student's future term. Now you'll notice here that the student has not taken ECD 101 and still needs to take the course, but on the left-hand side it's showing as planned. Go to the current and previous terms and drag and drop or use the 3 blue lines to remove any planned courses from a previous or current term in which the registration has already passed. You'll notice here that the courses are now in bold, indicating that a student needs to take that course. You may either drag and drop the courses to the term, or you can use the 3 blue lines to add them to the term in which you want the student to take the course. If there's a course that you don't see underneath the plan suggestions that you want to recommend the student take, you can search for the course by using the search icon. An example of this might be a developmental course, or if Math 110, for example, is the course needed for the program and the student needs to take Math 105, you can search for Math 105 and then drag and drop it into a term. You can then click on the Plan Suggestions icon to return back to the list of courses. But you can search for any class by using this search icon. You may also note in the evaluation that a student has completed a course that looks like they still need to take it in the academic planner. This sometimes happens when there's a course substitution or a course exemption that's processed for a student. The academic planner in Navigate does not reflect course substitutions or course exemptions, so you'll need to mark those courses as met. You can do that by clicking the 3 blue lines and marking a course as met. you'll see here that the course is now not in bold, and it'll show as met along with the comment that you made. You can plan out as many future terms as you would like for the student. Also note that there may be a red icon next to certain courses. This is an alert message, it's not an error message. It lets you know that there are pre- and co-requisites for that course. If the student has satisfied the pre- or co-requisite, it will not prevent them from registering for the course. Once you've made all your recommendations, scroll to the top and click the Send Suggestions button. Send any additional comments to the student, and then click Send. The comments will be sent to the student along with the courses that you're recommending. They'll also be captured in the feedback history that cannot be deleted. When a student logs in to Navigate Student, they'll see that they have an unread message. They can also click on the planner, and a pop-up will show, letting them know that they've received feedback from their advisor. They'll click on View Plan and accept all suggestions. From here, it'll edit their plan based on what you've sent them. Students can now go in and use the Pick Time button to determine what section of those courses that they want, and then register for the courses once registration opens. If you have any questions or need assistance, please email navigate@yorktech.edu.